Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Windows Spotlight is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. First of all, check the internet connection speed, because if the internet connection is not working on your computer, then Windows Spotlight will not work either. Open your browser and go to fast.com, hit enter and check the internet connection speed here. Okay, the next solution is to check option in settings. And how will you do that? So we will right click on the start button and select settings from the menu, and then you can go to the personalization tab on the list on the left hand side. Select lock screen in the right pane, click on this drop down menu and make sure that it is selected at Windows Spotlight. The next solution is to update Windows, although by now most of the updates must have been pushed in, but just in case you reinstalled the operating system through clean boot method, in that case, here's what you can do. Right click on the start button and select settings. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates in the right pane. The last solution will be clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, click on disable or apply OK and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.